Ni hindi ya uruguria wa mwerekera mweru wa ungania wa magoti kaunti-ini itiganite ugitongorio ni kamiti ya ugai wa kigina kia muingi ya CRA. Thirikari cia kaunti ikagwetwo gukorwo ikiremererwo ni ungania wa magoti kwa muhiano hari mwaka muhituku wa kigina ikiungania ciringi bilioni 41.4. Inde CRA ikiuga kaunti iri na uhoti wa kungania ciringi bilioni 216 korwo mawatho meru mahimbirio.
Kuma devolution yajie thirikari cia counties gutire gwakorwo na county ona imwe koretwo na watho ucio tariffs and pricing policy koguo kuona mbeca icio makoretwo makiungania iria twitaga on source revenue citikoragwo na basis ya kuunganio.
This model policy comes at an opportune time to serve as a crucial guide for county governments in generating their own source revenue.
Kurigana na Dr. Isabel Wayakiuria ni commissioner rohogini rwa CRA wagiwa watho mukinyaniru utigete county gwatini wa kuremererwo ni ungani wa kigina kiiganu gugu county nyingi igitungio thitango ni arihia magoti
huthagira watho uria witagwo finance bill kuungania na tiguo wagirirwo ni gukorwo kihuthirwo magirirwo ni gukorwo na hari iguru twanjiririe na policy policy no twara unchumuthi na twarikia gukorwo nayo niguo counties ciothe cigakorwo na mawatho mao makuunganite riu akorwo ni marongania mbeca cia trade licensing makorwo na trade licensing act akorwo ni parking makorwo na parking act. Mweri wa April ugithira counties 41 counties ni matwarirwo igoti-ini ni gukorwo mararihia marihi macio makihuthira finance bill na tiyo yagirwo gukorwo kihuthirwo.
Counties now have a reason to smile because this policy offers guidance on how to comply with the legal requirements.
CRA no yuritie county kwagirithia motungata maraira heana kuri arihia magoti muikariri wa kamiti ya CRA Meri Wanyonyi akiugana nayo njira ya kuiguithia Kenya bata wa kurihira motungata maria makoragwo makiheo kuri muingi.
There has been widespread complaints, as it has just been alluded, from traders, exporters and companies about high and unjustified charges, as well as the multiplicity of fees and charges across the country, and action was prompted by that.
And for the last financial year, it's only Taita Taveta County that was able to achieve their set target, which is a good thing. Homa Bay County, Kakamega County and Homa Bay County, they have proved to us that when you link revenue collection to service delivery, you will be able to enhance your revenue.
Unakuri uguo magavana matongoretio ni gavana wa Kakamega Fernandes Barasa na muruna wa Mombasa Abdul Somad Sharif Nasir ni matetetie thirikari nene makiria ruhonge rwa KRA kumana na kiria maugite ne kumauna guoko ungani-ini wa magoti kwa muhiano ruhonge rwa ungani wa magoti rwa KRA rukiorotwo ni gwitia igoti ria VAT na gicunjĩ gĩa 13 harĩ igana harĩ magoti maria mothe monganio matũra-inĩ.
We therefore urge KRS to cease forthwith from making any such a demands on VAT, on counties' own source revenue, and respect the constitutional separation of the taxes and charges to be imposed.
Hadini Kameme TV retorako ni Bataru wa Mwagi.